Everything that you're about to witness is all CGI and AI edited and uploaded. Do not try any of this at home. Done by trained professionals on phone in.
Brothers world, you know we outside, nigga. It's a legal pit today. I've been trying to get content for y'all, but y'all already know, nigga. It's a process. God damn.
Yeah, it's alright.
You know what I'm saying, Jaden?
I got another costume.
All right, man.
I got like a robe.
Say what's up to the YouTube.
What's that, y'all? How y'all coming? How y'all coming?
Hey, introduce your V, nigga.
Feel me?
Introduce your V.
This nigga. We got the strike underground too and shit like that, you feel me? It's a 5.7, but this bitch raw underground headers and shit, you feel me? Intake.
Bro, this shit loud as fuck too, bro.
I started up for y'all. Let y'all hear this.
You feel me? Just something slight, nigga. You know my niggas get outside acting a donkey every day.
Y'all ready? Come on, bro. Get the
Hey, bro, I'm trying to do the YouTube. Look, y'all yelling at me. Y'all got another nigga jumping out the car right now. Hey, Jay, say what's happening to the broken world. You know what I'm saying? What's happening, Mr. 392, nigga? Who's who? What's he talking about, bro?
I'm a bad bitch. That's what she tell me. When she let me tell you, I'll tell you, fella. Bro, now he's about to get. What? How you mad at me, bro?
Shit. They ain't had no skis, bro.
I got a motherfucking bandana.
You should know he wrong. He a fucking white boy.
Where the fuck?
This shit was $6.
Where's Rummy?
$6 bandana, shorty.
Where's Rummy?
Huh?
Where's Rummy? Where's Rummy?
30 minutes away. Finna get tea.
Yeah, is it gonna take us 30 minutes?
Yeah, we drive proper.
Shit, where the fuck is Rummy? What's the horsepower? Zion?
The right here, the spoiler, because the airlift, if it goes up like that, it can add a little bit of horsepower to your car.
I'm no scientist, but I'm not gonna knock you on that. That might be a you feel me?
I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna show you.
They said what you told them that the diffuser adds 5 horsepower.
He thinks
Y'all
he's a
niggas,
Britland.
Bro,
We're gonna get us shot up. Oh my gosh, bro. Take that.
GDs. They don't let the GDs in the door. They don't let the GDs in the door.
Increases downforce and increases traction at high speed. You feel me?
You feel me? Okay. My nigga's eye was right. My nigga's eye was right.
Send me the 25 back.
What's the casual? How you feel, bro? How you feel that you was wrong?
Walking away.
Alright, post it on YouTube.
Alright, bro. We damn near probably like 20 minutes from this legal pit. Trying to get into it, nigga. I don't know, we riding fast shit only, nigga. They've been going since 3 o'clock. I don't know, you feel me? What everything looking like. I hope my nigga BJ got clips before. But nigga, I'm about to try to get this shit even more speed up than it definitely is now, nigga. We will ride. We will ride, nigga. What's happening?
Nigga got a car like this. I'm like, Fredo didn't pop out though.
What's happening, brother?
I said, that's brother.
We got Angel right here, you feel me? We really outside. Everybody outside, you know what I'm saying? Hey, Jerome's gonna piss himself. Jerome's about to piss himself. Red Eye 300, nigga. You hear that? Oh God.
Lil BJ! Lil B! Brado out there going crazy. Lil BJ! Lil B! Oh, bada! We out here getting to it. Got a little Brado in there. Got a little Rome.
Look at this shit. Look at this.
Okay, he got overwipe. He got overwipe going on, bro. That's going on to YouTube.
Bro, he's standing outside the car. He's standing outside
Bro,
the
literally
car.
is standing.
I'm standing.
He's too tall for this shit.
I do that in your car.
That's how low this bitch is. This nigga is literally standing. He might break something.
You gonna break the ankle, boy?
I hope not. Look at Brado.
Look at that.
Okay, Brado.
Fucking dickhead.
Oh, that fucking dirt he just brung on that fucking. Look at all that damn dirt he just brung on.
You do better do that at the homeboys too. Y'all would've got
Damn, Brado. That nigga Brado hit the edge every time.
The pit is a little too slick.
No, bro.
So it is like the fucking Infinity be out there doing good because he don't got that much force. I don't know where the fuck. Go, yeah, this nigga ain't gonna go crazy.
No, bro. Where the fuck ain't no ass going? Rev that bitch up. Pop that bitch. This shit nasty. This shit nasty.
Take a shot.
Another side? I gotta take another one? Yeah. I got you. We getting lit. We getting right. We getting together. We get right. Tell we get right for YouTube. Then we. Hey, tell we fucked up.
I got so fucked up last night. I ain't throw up last night. I woke up, went to work, threw up at work.
Woo! It's one of them nights. It's one of them. Hey.
We killed a buzzball. We was mixing. I don't even know what we was drinking, bro.
When we finish that one, I got another drink.
Another one?
We came from there. Yeah, bro. When I get fucked Hey, bro. No, bro.
Bro, I took like two. That shit is strong. That shit is strong. I took like two of that shit. That shit is strong. Damn. Yeah, that's what they drink. That shit's strong. bro ran up to the camera talking about where the wood at. What he just grab? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Oh, the Jack Daniel. Oh, fuck. I went and grabbed the Jack Daniel, folks. Oh, my God. That shit might smooth, though. Look at this guy. He talking about where the wood at. He talking about where the wood at. My nigga got a sword costume on.
Yami just pulled up, you feel me? She be popping her shit. I'm waiting for her to get into the pit.
Oh, shit.
My nigga is out here with the she pop out strong every time. It's what happened to your right now? What happened to your what's it called back here though? You say what? What happened right here?
Got into accident.
Yeah.
I pulled out the gas station sideways. Fucking slides got stuck on it.
No. Now this bitch is silly though. You made me want a super beat. You made me want a super beat. Going to school and shit, seeing your shit in the parking lot, bro. I swear it made me want a super beat. Wave that motherfucker on me.
Chill.
Give me the flag. You not doing nothing with it?
I'm doing something with it, but he not with us.
Run me. Run across the field. Run across the field. What? What happened? What happened? Hold on.
He told me to run across the thing.
You do it. Yeah! Oh, you're straight. You're straight. You're straight. You're straight.
Good. You got it. Yes, sir.
They put Angel in the CA.
Mister got the wheel in anything. Anything. Mister got the wheel in anything. Hit a rollback on all the guys too. What the hell? Damn, you can feel that shit in your chest, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
at jail, back in the pit.
Started fucking at
That nigga just got out of jail.
Where's your ankle monitor? Whoa, don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me.
Oh, my God, done.
There you go.
Yeah, feeling good, huh?
Why he do his whipper like that? I know you wishing you had your shit right now. Hey, we just got this candy from the pit, nigga. Bite into it. It's spicy on the inside. They own the something right there. It tastes like the mango chili buzz ball. That shit busted.
That shit was good as fuck.
dummy. Fuck.
Mama, boy, this shit lit. Look at
Because he flashed the light. That means you gotta stop. I didn't know.
And they told us that he can't slide no more.
But these niggas going for hella long though. I talked to him and he said,
Damn, Prince.
She gonna smack your ass with the car.
Come on, Doc. BJ. It's currently what time?
7:24.
7:24. As y'all can see, the legal pit don't end till 9. Nigga, motherfuckers is out here. It's dinner getting cold, but this shit dinner still teed. I know he do. What the fuck?
Bro, nigga, take the shot, bro.
I thought he was cut off. I thought he was done. No. Fuck.
I'm gonna take a shot. Watch out. Look, she was scared. She was scared.
Take it.
I don't even know what happened, bro. But the police ended up pulling up to the legal pit, like damn near like 30 minutes after the last clip. So we all just cut out. Then we ended up right back here.
This the end of the night. Oh, bro.
Bitch, I'm baby broke again. Never leave the house without my 30. Bitch, I'm folding shit. Fredo got the wheel up in that scat, gon' beat that road again. The Dakes was just behind us. Cut they lights off cause they know we quick. Bitch be with the gang, but groupie hoes, we don't do those in this. I be with the gang, gon' take your mata if you roll too quick.